Welcome back into Studio 10. Mobile Christian wants to show off all their school has to offer. You'll have a chance to tour the school, meet the teachers and the staff at a special open house coming up this Sunday. And this morning, we're really happy to have Dr. Deborah Curry. She's the elementary principal. We've also got Clint Mitchell. He is the principal for middle and high school.
That's correct.
Good to have both of you on the show this morning.
Thanks, man. Pleasure to be here.
Deborah, I want to start with you. Elementary school, obviously very important to a lot of parents, who want to get kids off on the right foot with their education. Tell us about what all Mobile Christian has to offer.
Well, we start at 3-year-old and we go through 5th grade with our elementary. We even starts with our sports with our 3-year-olds. We have soccer and basketball for them, and we have cross country, track, basketball, soccer for the 3rd through 5th grade. Wow. Our students in 4th and 5th, they're bring your own iPad. Their textbooks are downloaded on iPads, and so they're digital.
That's really cool. I wish I had that back in my day. Right.
Well, we're living in a tech world now, so they know more about it than we do. They can teach us, if something gets stuck, they can kind of
And next fall, you guys have a real special treat for the elementary kids, don't you?
Yes, sir, we do. Our new building, our new elementary complex, will be up and running for us to go into next school year.
That's going to be so fantastic, and I know students and up-and-coming students there are going to love this. And at this open house, Clint, what are people going to get to see when they go?
Well, any new family that comes by, prospective family, will get to take a tour across all of our facilities. We'll pair them up with some of our current students who kind of know the workings of how things go at school right now. They'll get to meet some of our awesome faculty and staff there, get to tour some of our awesome facilities, and kind of get to see how things run during that time. So we hope to see a bunch of people there.
That's fantastic, and it's going to be this Sunday. You see the graphic on the screen. It's from 1:30 to 3:30 Sunday afternoon. And Mobile Christian, if you're not familiar with where it is, it's on Cottage Hill Road. It's located between Knollwood and Hillcrest. You can't miss it, and I'm sure you've seen the construction of the new elementary building. When that thing's done, it's going to be looking really good. That school serves K-3 through 12th grade, and open enrollment begins February 1st, so it begins next Friday.
Yes.
That's right. Coming up really soon.
Coming up really soon.
Yeah.
Well, we hope that a lot of you watching, if you want to consider Mobile Christian, make sure you go to their website. You see it right there. What is the name of, what is the web address for that, Deborah?
Mobile Christian, www.mobilechristian.org.
Mobilechristian.org. And Clint, they have all the info on registration and all that on the website.
Correct.
Right?
And then also on social media, where I think at Mobile Christian School on Instagram, and have Twitter as well, and all that type of stuff. So information will be on those platforms as well.
Awesome. And congrats to the Leopards. In the last few years, they've been having some really good football seasons.
That's right. Yes. We've had some great athletic opportunities for us. Like, we got some great coaches and some great kids that make it happen as well.
That's
so
great.
It's been great.
Well, guys, thank you so much for being here.
Thanks for having us, man.
Appreciate it. It's a pleasure.
And we're going to link their information on our website, fox10tv.com, right under the Studio 10 tab.